My hair good? My makeup good?
Yeah. No. But it'll do.
Alright, let's go.
Welcome back, brewers and beer lovers of Flying Wombat TV, the channel all about beer, banter, and bloody good times. So, today, very exciting day. It is our tasting video for the Banana Split Milkshake Wheat Ale.
My favourite dessert.
Oh, yeah.
My favourite thing to eat. Bananas.
Okay. You do you. It's Pride Month.
Yeah.
So we're going to go through the tasting video, give you our honest thoughts on this really weird, really wacky dessert-style beer. And then at the end, we're going to finish with a bunch of dad jokes in a Do Not Laugh challenge. Yeah. So let's hop to it, yeah?
Yeah, whoever loses has to scull a beer.
Whoever loses has to do a cream.
A
cream shot.
beer.
Yeah, I don't want to get cream today, so I'm not going to be laughing. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll go fill these bad boys up.
Yeah, cue montage.
Back. We have beers. Let's get to it.
Yeah. Tastes like a beer. It's funky. It's not like your traditional wheat beer.
To be honest, I'm wondering if I poured the right beer.
Yeah. Did you?
I don't know. Let me check. It is the right beer.
Yeah.
It is the right beer. It is definitely a wheat beer. Okay. What threw me was... Oh, hang on. You need to let it sit in the aftertaste.
Oh, I get that banana aftertaste.
Yeah, okay.
Holy.
I was expecting like this massive like bam of bananas as soon as I gulped it, and I just didn't get that, so I kind of thought, oh, is this the right beer? But...
Yeah, it's all in the aftertaste. Yeah.
Yep. As it lingers on the tongue, then it starts coming through. There it is. It's like... That actually does make a lot of sense, to be honest, because when you drink like an actual wheat beer, the banana and the clove and everything is like, it's that lingering flavor. It's not like it hits you like hops do. It's like lingering on the tongue.
It's pretty bitter.
Not that bitter.
Yeah. Initially.
I don't think so, but I also don't know if it really tastes like bananas to me. It tastes more like nectarines or like I don't know, like peach nectar or something. You know, like juice that is like like an undiluted nectar. And you're meant to do like a bit of nectar and then you're meant to mix with water. And like if you just gulp it as a nectar, that's kind of what I get from it. Like this like peach or like nectarine type sweetness going on.
Yeah, it's definitely not a banana smoothie. That's... You have the banana in the aftertaste, but it's not.
Yeah, it's nowhere near...
The biggest characteristic of the beer.
Yeah, there's nowhere near as much banana as I thought there was going to be. I mean, don't get me wrong, as far as like just a wheat beer goes, nice beer. Like, it tastes like a wheat beer, it's very creamy, it's very smooth, it's very cloudy. I don't know, would you say that that looks a little bit unappealing?
Oh, it looks like a beer. For a wheat beer?
No, the first pun got away, you didn't get that? Unappealing. No, it looks good.
Jesus
so
Christ.
I'll save it for the Do Not Laugh challenge.
Yeah.
I was meant to save it for the Do Not Laugh challenge.
Oh, no.
So, yeah, I mean, it looks like a wheat beer. If it quacks like a duck, it walks like a duck, it is a duck. It's a wheat beer, but there's just nowhere near as much banana punch as I thought there was going to be. I thought there was going to be like this big buttload of like caramelized banana taste going on. Because like we had 1/3 fresh banana, 1/3 baked banana, 1/3 caramelized banana on a pan. So I thought there was going to be much more of that like intense caramelized sweetness.
It kind of smells banana-y. I feel like it.
It does smell. It does smell banana-y, but it's like it's got this like weird nectarine thing going on. Like not in a bad way. It's just not what I expected at all. I thought we were gonna get just like this huge. Banana punch, but it's
very experimental flavors.
Yeah,
it's nothing you. It's
very drinkable beer.
Original.
Like, I would really like to drink this, like, at the snow. Like, I always associate wheat beers with, like, being on a snow trip. That's kind of the vibe I get off this one.
Yeah.
Because it's not light either. It's pretty heavy. I think the final gravity for this was 1.016, which is, you know, pretty high. Like, a pale ale would finish half that. So it's, like, it's got a lot of thickness to it, and it fills your belly a bit. It's not a light beer, but wheat beers aren't really that light. But yeah, the lactose is there, and I would say the lactose is actually kind of perfect. I wouldn't want it sweeter than this. What do you reckon?
I haven't had a lactose beer in years.
In a while?
I think it was like last Gabs. Probably it was.
Yeah, it's sweet enough for me.
That's yeah, because I haven't had a lactose beer in a while. I'm not sure what the flavors are.
It's just
traditionally
kind of, lactose is just kind of sweet, and it makes this kind of creamy, velvety mouthfeel. But I wouldn't want to add more, because then it would just be too sweet. It already is quite sweet.
Yeah.
It's not like it's... Yeah, there's sweetness to this.
There's bitterness there, though, as well.
Yeah, I mean, it is still a beer.
Yeah.
Like, it has to have a level of bitterness. Yeah.
It's more bitter than what I thought it'd be.
I don't get the bitterness that you're tasting, to be honest. To me, it just tastes very kind of sweet and nectarine.
Maybe that's the lactose that I'm tasting.
Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Well, I don't know. What are your kind of thoughts on this as a specialty beer versus as just a beer in general?
I want more banana.
Yeah.
I want more banana.
So I reckon,
in the taste.
I reckon.
But I don't know if that would be actually good.
Well, but I kind of want. I do want more banana flavor though. I reckon if we are gonna brew this again, I would like triple the amount of bananas we use. Maybe quadruple. Like just heaps more bananas.
Do you think when it was fermenting in the bucket that had an impact on it, or?
No.
Any off flavors you can taste?
Not. Here's a weird thing. Yeah. So, off flavors you get off flavors when you don't have temperature control because the yeast ferments too hot, which is not a great thing. But those off flavors, when yeast gets too hot, typically do make flavors like banana-iness, esteriness, weird kind of fruit salad thing going on, which in a normal beer is a bad thing. In a wheat beer, it just so happens you're looking for that. So exactly. I don't think it's a bad thing that this was fermented without temp control, because it would just kind of push it towards that estery profile anyway, which is kind of what you want. So I don't think doing this without temp control was an issue at all. It was a pretty hot week when it fermented, so maybe it could have been a little bit cleaner if it was temp controlled, but it's not like it's bad. There's no real off flavors that are jumping out at me. It just tastes like a wheat beer with... It kind of just tastes like a very normal wheat beer with this kind of extra banana-y aftertaste, more than a normal wheat beer, but nowhere near as much banana as I thought it was going to be. Being said, it's very tasty.
Not bad.
It's very tasty. You know what I would like to do actually is kind of just let this warm up.
Wear the banana suit and
you're not wearing a banana suit.
You're gonna wear it.
You were meant to wear it.
One of us was meant to wear it.
We'll come back. And we're back. Banana up. So, you're doing the video, Justin. How did I do a whole brew day in that thing? It looks so stupid.
That was probably the most scuffed brew day we've ever had as well.
Yeah. You know what? As this is warming up, there's more banana coming out and there's more sweetness coming out. So I think this might be the kind of beer that you're not meant to drink cold. Maybe it needs to be more like ambient temperature. Maybe it needs to be like drunk in like a stout, like more around 10 degrees, and it'll just let more of that fruity, estery stuff.
I do like the mouthfeel though. The mouthfeel's nice.
Mouthfeel's very good. It's very creamy.
Yeah, I mean, wheat beers as well. That's
this was,
wheat beers.
From memory, 50-50 wheat and ale malt, right? So yeah, heaps of wheat in it. I don't know. As a beer, I like it. I like it. It's got this weird kind of sweet, not quite banana, but kind of like banana off flavor, I guess I'd say, the more I drink it. There's something lingering back there that I don't love, but I don't really know what to call it other than like banana. Maybe like an overly ripe banana. You know when a banana gets like all really black and you eat it and you'll be like, oh.
I was thinking more like a green banana.
Oh, you reckon? Is it that kind of sourness?
Yeah.
Is it? Maybe it's that. It's sort of like, it's not the banana that you want to eat.
Yeah.
It's like either too early or too late, and it's a little bit wrong. There's something vaguely like that in this thing.
Like me, I'm a perfect banana.
You're just a little bit wrong.
Yeah. I'm not bent.
Everyone's got a curve, mate. But yeah. Anyway, alcohol-wise, this thing sits at.
You say that already?
I didn't. Hang on. I need to do the maths. I think this thing comes in at like 5.5%. I think it's 5.5%.
Yeah.
I'll correct it up there if I'm wrong. So it's pretty boozy for a wheat beer, but it's kind of fine.
We should have ate before.
We definitely should have ate before.
We should have had some
and
bananas.
we're stacking some videos today, and they're all drinking videos today. So by the last video, we're going to be having a merry old time. So I'll let you guys figure out which one that is. All right, is that everything? What would you rate this? How many bananas would you give this out of 10?
Probably 6 or 7. I don't think it's the best beer we've brewed.
No, it's
definitely not.
It's not the best beer.
It's not the best beer.
No, it's
all right. It's all right, but it's all right for a 6.
I honestly think that if we brewed the exact same thing, but without the bananas, it would be a better beer.
Oh, definitely. It wouldn't be scuffed.
I don't think the bananas are actually adding to this.
But
in a
if you had
way.
temperature control, then you'd know if that had played an impact as well.
That's true. I mean, I could make it again with the stainless steel tank and kind of compare it, but I just don't think bananas ferment well in a way that you can drink. I know that
next beer, banana sour.
Honestly, a banana sour is probably the better way to go, because I think the sour flavor would kind of work better with the weird flavors you get from fermented bananas. I think the sour might be better for it, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. Food for thought. If you guys do so, if any of you have done any kind of banana-related beer, like drop comments below, because that one was totally new for me. I've never fermented banana before, and it was interesting.
I mean, it was pure experimental, so I don't think we were expecting. We were probably expecting it to turn out worse than what it was. But
I was expecting it.
I was kind of like, it could either be really shit or like all right.
And it's landed in the middle. I was kind of expecting it to just be an average beer that just tasted like eating a banana.
It's not something I'd like chuck out and couldn't drink. So
yeah, I mean, I'd still drink this. It would not. If I ordered this at a pub, I probably wouldn't get another one.
Yeah.
Unless it was only like 2Es on tap, and then I'd be drinking this. But
wow, poor 2Es. They're gonna come after us now.
Yeah.
What'd you rate it?
Oh, I don't know. Okay, if I was gonna rate it as just out of, if I like the beer and I just want to drink a beer, I would give it like, I don't know, like a 6 or something. But if I was rating it as a wheat beer goes, it's not a bad wheat beer. It's also just that wheat beers are not my favorite go-to beer either. So maybe there's a bit of bias there.
I fucking love wheat beers.
Maybe as a wheat beer goes, it's like a 7. But as like a regular drinking beer goes, it's like a 6. I don't know. It was an interesting experiment. I don't think I'm going to be doing it again. I'm not really interested in having a whole nother keg of this, because I'm kind of thinking about drinking a keg of this. It's going to take a long time to get through it, because I think I can only have like
bring
one
it out
at a time.
At the parties.
What, the parties of the people I don't like?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get on to dad jokes.
Dad jokes.
You're doing a cream shot if you lose. Well, you're doing a cream shot when you lose.
He said I'm gonna lose, mate.
Well, we've had
Jesus.
We've had 2 of these tasting videos that have had a challenge at the end so far. You've lost both of them.
I'm not even gonna laugh.
Same rules apply. If you laugh, you get a strike. First to 3 laughs, or best of 3.
Maybe best of.
Best of 3. All right, best of 3. So best of 3. It's doing something weird.
It's gonna get progressively worse.
It will get worse. Oh no, it's melting.
Hey, you're already laughing, mate.
Okay, starting from now.
You're starting.
You want to start or do you want me to start? Hang on, I'm not ready.
Alright, let it go. Bring it in. Can you handle this?
You know what? I feel like I'm at a significant disadvantage. He's wearing a stupid banana costume.
Yeah. Do you want me to go first?
Hang on, I can't shut my face up.
What does a janitor yell when he comes out of the closet? Supplies!
No! Honestly, it's just a banana. You're wearing a stupid banana outfit. Oh! Alright,
Oh,
strike
yeah.
one. Fuck! Damn it, that's not good. Okay. All of mine are going to be banana themed. I'm going to try to keep it banana themed. Why do bananas never get lonely?
Why?
Because they hang out in bunches.
That was lame.
You're lame. Read
I'm a
your next
banana.
joke.
Mine aren't banana themed. What do you call a cow in an earthquake? A milkshake.
Ah, it's alright.
Yeah.
Alright,
It's a dad joke.
what's the best thing to put in a banana cream pie?
What?
Your teeth.
Mm.
Mm.
Alright. Interesting. Mm. What's orange and sounds like a parrot?
And the annoying orange?
A carrot.
How does it sound like a parrot?
Rhymes with parrot.
Parrot? I don't get that one.
Carrot and parrot.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, you laughed!
I'm laughing at your idiocy, bro.
I got you. Alright.
Parrot and carrot rhyme.
Yeah, but you said what sounds like a carrot.
No, I said what's orange and sounds like a parrot. A carrot.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, you got done. Alright.
I got done by my own joke.
Yeah. Yeah. Take it.
Alright.
Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Why?
Because he wasn't healing well.
You already used that. Can't
Did I?
Did you?
I don't know.
Earlier in Do you know how many people are dead in that cemetery? Any cemetery?
I don't know.
All of them. I should have used the cemetery.
You laughed!
I just read it.
You've done yourself with your own jokes again.
These jokes were shit. Fucking BuzzFeed. I'm never using BuzzFeed again. Fuck BuzzFeed. They fucked me over. I didn't even look. I didn't read the joke beforehand. That's why.
Well, I mean, you're gonna be sculling. You've laughed twice.
Yeah.
That's you done. But I do want to do my last one.
Yeah.
If a crocodile makes shoes, what does a banana make?
What?
Slippers. it's pretty
That makes
decent.
no sense.
You can finish that.
Uh,
Alright, so how bad is it? Oh, the cream would not be helping. Oh, you look like you're going to be sick. Thank you very much for all of you who are still watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And, we'll come back next time with another brew day, I think. So, cheers for keeping up with us. Let us know if you've got any questions or if you've done any banana-related beers. And as always, brew on, guys. We will catch you next time. Oh, man, you're not even halfway
I
through.
could not finish. This is probably the one I will not be able to finish. Definitely not good with cream.
Mad fail.
Do
Alright,
not-
we'll see you guys next time.
Fucking BuzzFeed, bro.